Okay, so git post commit command runs a git command after a successful commit, and you have a few options here. None means it's not gonna run anything. Push means it's going to try and push your commit to the remote repository. And sync, it's going to first fetch and then push. It's going to synchronize between the remotes. Now, either of these options, they are really annoying if you don't have a remote connection. I mean, meaning if you don't have your repository published somewhere on a server, and it's annoying because it's gonna fail because there's no remote, and it's going to pop up a little uh, alert saying there's no remotes for this. What would you like to do? So, because sometimes I'm just testing stuff out, and I just have a local repository, having any of those two options would be very annoying. And I actually tried it for a while and just like, God no. So I'm going to leave this one set to none.